Open command prompt, type mongod dbpath equal and your desired path in double quotes. The path you are using should exist. Then hit enter. Open another command prompt, type mongo. You can see MongoDB is running successfully. You should never close directly, always use keyboard interrupt like ctrl+c or z. Better way to cut down all the typing, create shortcut or batch file in Windows or bash file in Linux. Type the same command mongod dbpath equal and your desired path in double quotes. Then give a file name if you want. Then click finish. Run the shortcut file. Open the command prompt and type mongo. If you don't see any error, then you are good to go. Once again, never close directly. Always use keyboard interrupt like ctrl+c or z. Thank you for watching.